In this video, we're going to show you how to install the power cord on your dryer. So now to install your cord on your dryer, you're just going to take the end with all the wires and mount it back into the cabinet. Now in this model, they have a little locating grommet that'll go on the cord, as well as there's the nut that's on the inside that threads onto it. Yours may be a little bit different. Yours may have a different type of mount. It may not have this little plastic piece that I just slid on. It may just go in and have two little fingers that snap into place. Or you may have an actual metal type of electrical clamp that's protruding through that you're going to slide your wires through and then tighten up a couple of screws. Whichever style of strain relief is on your dryer, that's the one you'll want to go with. So you're just going to slide your wires, in this case where it has a lock nut, so we'll want to put those wires through the lock nut. Make sure you get all four inside the nut. Slide it down into place. Insert your cord and now just spin that lock nut onto the cord. Tighten it up nice and tight. And now you can connect your wires. Start with my neutral or white wires, and your neutral or white wires always go in the middle connection. And you want to make sure these connections are good and tight as you can get them. Now your black and your red go on either side of the white, and it doesn't matter which way you do that. And lastly, we'll want to install our ground wire. And that's how easy it is to install a new cord on your dryer.